everybody, who's a procrastinator like me? I don't like packing because I get super stressed out about it and I always end up overpacking and taking too many things. Well, I've gotten really good on the makeup side of it, and today I wanted to share some tips with you on how to pack for a vacation with just minimal amounts of products, so you're not taking a ton of space up in your suitcase. Today I'm going to show you this really super basic, simple look. I'm going on a cruise. This is my poolside excursion, cruising daytime face that takes me just about 5 minutes at the most and has me totally covered for the whole day, so I don't have like product melting off my face or falling off in the water or anything like that. I'm going to share it with you in just a little bit. I've also included how to take a look from day to evening with just a couple of really quick tips without taking much space in your suitcase. So if that's interesting to you, then you want to keep on watching. First, I'm going to apply our foundation primer, which is not a step that I want to skip because this stuff is amazing. I just apply it with my hands. It feels like silk going on your face, and it's going to set and hold my product in place and even out like my pores, so I have like this really flawless finish. Plus it has the SPF UVA UVB protection, which I definitely need. I like to layer my SPFs. I don't skip this step because this needs to last me all day long, and like I said, it just really keeps your foundation in place, so it's not like melting off my face when I'm in 100% humidity. The next thing I'm going to use is legit one of my favorite products, CC cream. I am a light to medium. This is like a vitamin for your face pretty much. It's got antioxidants. It's going to even out any redness, even out your skin tone. Think of it as a turbocharged tinted moisturizer. It also has SPF 15 UVA, UVB, so it's like the broad spectrum, and it's a moisturizer. So now I don't need a daytime moisturizer to pack. Bonus. I'm applying it with my hands. I don't really care. Clearly, you could use a brush to apply it, but I am just keeping it really real with you because chances are I will be applying it with my hands some of the time I'm on this cruise. And you can see it just totally evens you out. Handsing it, nothing wrong with it in my book. Thank you very much. Okay, if you are young and full of life, you wouldn't need this, but I'm not, which is totally tragic. This is our under eye corrector. It's like sleep in a stick. It brightens the eye area. It helps with dark under eye circles. I'm definitely bringing this with me. I wear it every day anyway, and I'm sure to be having some long nights on this boat by choice. So I just kind of do triangles under my eyes, and then I hit that H spot as well. Isn't it fun to get old? It's not. I blend it in with my ring finger. You could definitely use a blender of some sort, but for the sake of packing and things I need to bring with me, I already have these attached to my body, so I'm going to use them. Not only is this fantastically simple with just a few products, but it's fantastically fast. See a age spot. Now I'm going to use my volumizing brow tint. I won't leave home without this, so we're doing this. It's so quick. It's so easy. You just dust it on. It fills in any imperfections, and it also will keep the brows in place all day long. Next, I'm using another one of my favorite go-to products. This is our cream eyeshadow. It's crease-proof, waterproof, smudge-proof, everything-proof, sweat-proof, and it also has primer built into it. I love it because it's like a twofer, and I'm, again, using my ring finger, and I'm just going to put it all over my eyes. This is a really beautiful kind of champagne color that anybody can wear, and it totally brightens your eye area. Now what I'm also going to do with this, it's not just a twofer, it's like a threefer. I'm going to put a little bit on my cheekbones and use it as my highlighter. So now I don't have to pack a highlighter. Now I am going to line my eyes with some liquid liner. I don't do a heavy line for the day. I just kind of do a very little, but something of a line. And then I'm going to apply my mascara. This is not waterproof. I know I'm going to be by a pool. I know I'm going to be by the ocean and all the things, but this is water resistant, and I have cried in it. I have sweat in it. I have swam in it, and I have never had like raccoon eyes mascara dripping down my face. So this stuff really, I think, is good enough, and that's what's coming with me. Next, I'm going to dust some translucent powder on. I am willing to take this and let it take up space because it really sets and holds your look. And I need that for all day wear. Sweat and humidity and all that wind. 2 more things and that's it. I'm going to bring one of our lip tints with us because this will stay. Like I can swim in it and it's gonna stay put. It's the right amount of color and I get like all day wear out of it without being too like dramatic because I am just pretty much gonna be by the pool or like riding a jet ski or something. It's like coloring on your lips with a marker. Very last, I'm going to set with setting spray. Can't leave home without this. This absolutely has to make the trip. It's going to set and hold my look for, I believe it's like up to 16 hours. And it helps with like humidity and it helps with just all the elements. This stuff is amazing. And that's it, you guys. Like that is how basic, how simple. This is it. So that's all I need to take with me. It will only take up one little bag in my suitcase so that I'm not taking like my entire makeup with me. Now, there will be some evenings that I'm going to be doing like a fancier dinner. And so with that, I have a couple other things I just want to show you really quick. We came out with these darling little, they look like this actually, these palettes, these petite palettes that came with the 4 colors. Well, I popped out my 4 colors and put in 4 other colors that I know I will be using for the evenings. Nothing crazy, just super basic that I know I can use every single night. They're just some Chroma Fusion mattes with 1 shimmer. And I can go ahead and take the look from day to evening really quickly with these, just putting them right over top of this product that I used. So simple. And wow, this takes up tons of space. Not at all. Like how fab is that? Totally fab. I'm also going to bring a couple of our new liquid lip lacquers, which are amazing. One is in like a terracotta rose. The other is in like a bold cherry. And they come with an eraser and a sealer. And these don't take up a lot of space either. And I think I will bring a blush with me just because I'm kind of a blush person. And so I am going to bring this as well. And then like a couple brushes, nothing crazy. And that's it. That's all I'm taking with me. I think that this basic look is perfect for every day and it is totally going to stay. This that I just did, my 5-minute beachy, poolside, basic, little room-taking makeup look is all you need when you're traveling. You don't need to take a million products with you. Just the basics are all you need and you can still get fantastic makeup looks. You can still mix and match them. You've got your super basic daytime look that I just showed you and then you can move into a more dramatic evening look with just a few eyeshadows and a bolder pop of lip color. And it saves so much space, so much stress when you're packing. I just think that it's a good little trick to have up your sleeve. If you have any questions, as always, please comment below or if you have any takeaways or thoughts or maybe some of your own tricks or tips that you want to share, please feel free to comment below. You're welcome to go follow me over on Facebook and Instagram. On Instagram, I'm at Girls, Goals, and Gong Shows. I'm super active over there if you guys want to follow the day-to-day in between my videos. I also have a blog that you guys are welcome to follow, and it's called girlsgoalsandgongshows.com. And I hope that you hop over there and enjoy that as well. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bon voyage, my friends, and I will see you all soon.